Cops and the men and women in uniform preside and prevail in a state of martial law. Hence, their input is paramount should the existing military rule extend far longer or an immediate return to civilian control be in order. PTV's Eunice Amonte on this feedback, which crucially factors in the Commander-in-Chief's impending decision to end or extend the highly controversial but constitutional act of presidential power.
President Rodrigo Duterte has always been consistent that he will only decide on martial law's lift or extension upon the recommendation of the armed forces and the Philippine National Police. And on the 53rd day of martial law in Mindanao, the PNP already submitted their recommendations to the President and their Commander-in-Chief. According to PNP Chief Police Director General Ronald Bato de la Rosa, their position paper has already been finalized yesterday, explaining thoroughly why martial law should be extended.
As I have said, we better not take chances. Maniguro tayo. Kaya nga, nag-declare itong martial law, maniguro tayo. Gamitin na natin itong martial law para makasiguro tayo sa safety and security ng buong Mindanao.
The Chief PNP, however, did not specify the scope and the time limits of their martial law recommendation. According to him, martial law should not be lifted until the war in Marawi is over. While the PNP already submitted their recommendations, the military has yet to submit theirs next week. According to AFP spokesperson Brigadier General Restituto Padilla, their recommendation paper is now on the final stage, almost ready to be submitted to the AFP Chief of Staff.
We will be providing the Chief of Staff a copy for his final vet and before it is submitted to the Secretary of National Defense, who in turn, because of his being administrator of martial law, will add his inputs if need be before submission to the Commander-in-Chief.
The military also did not specify the extent of their recommendations, but assured the people that the decision will always be based on the assessment of the ground commanders operating in Marawi and if their objectives were met during the 60-day period of the martial law. On Monday, the AFP and PNP top officials will again meet to prepare their final decision on this matter. Eunice Amonte for The Nation.